This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. This is part 9. We're going to do a little update on this 2003 Jeep Liberty Sport. We're doing that partial engine rebuild. And the last time I looked up there just a few minutes ago, and it's been January 23rd, was the last time we did a video on this, and we've been receiving numerous emails about what's going on, especially Paul from Connecticut. What's up, buddy? Hope your channel's going right. Let me see some videos. So I'm going to show you guys and girls what's been going on. As you can see, the Jeep is still behind me. It's still sitting here. The customer is coming up with the funds, and you know, she's a very good friend of ours, and through a customer, not a friend and then a customer. She was a customer, became a very good friend. So we're not rushing her at all. I mean, the car's been sitting here this long. We're not charging her any kind of storage fee or anything. We haven't even called her or anything, because we know, you know, whatever she decides. Even if she says, you know what, I decided to just get a junkyard motor, whatever, we roll with that. Even if she says I decided not to fix it, I'm okay with that. You know, it's sitting here. It ain't gonna cost me. It ain't costing me no extra money to keep it here on our property. So, you know, I know a lot of shops where they would have been like all over the customer, and then they got that storage, daily storage fee, and here it's like $20 a day. I just wouldn't feel right doing that. So let's go over again what's going on. As you can see, it's still sitting here, and then we're gonna go over again, as in that's like in part 8. This is part 9. And we'll show you the parts, how we got it laid out. All right, and I'm going to show you something else, because you know, I'm going to, as you guys know, a lot of you have heard, and it's been going on, that Eric the car guy, you know, he got that sleeper, that Fairmont, and months ago I contacted him and asked him if he want to do a friendly race with our Mustang against his, and he agreed to it. And Eric's a cool guy, so I'm going to show you real quick of what I'm doing with our Mustang, and that would be cool. All right, so let's get right to it. All right, here it is, and just to show you, nothing's been done. There it is, the transmission there. You see the jack holding up the transmission. AC, everything is put to the side. Battery's disconnected, and I just got the hood just leaning on there. Just to keep the rain out and all. Alright, let's go inside and take a look at the parts. Alright, let's go take us a walk. There's the house across the street. There's my fan, man. We talk finish that fan. Alright. Ding. Keys. And you guys who don't know this is our other house we have across the street. It's a fixer-upper. We bought it because the people that were living here was really causing a bad problem in the neighborhood. So when we got the opportunity, we grabbed it and bought the house so nobody else can live into it, and we have no problems. And we gotta do some fixing up in here. All right, let's see what we have. Here's the outlay of this is the parts. Once we're ready to put the engine back in the car, except for the flywheel and the bolts and all the radiator and all that, like the wiring harness right there. But as we walk around, and when we start doing the work on this house, we will be doing videos. We got a great deal on a brand new refrigerator and all. We finished painting this room, and you know, this is gonna be the kitchen. I'm putting the brick paneling in the back and blah blah blah. We'll do it. We do it. All right. Here's our main parts: the crank carrier, the mounts, and the heads. And actually, what we gotta do, I gotta turn those heads upside down, and I gotta check them for warpage and make sure they're not warped. If they are warped, we're gonna get them resurfaced And I'm going to show you how to do the valve seals. Because we definitely going to change it. We this far, we might as well go ahead and do the valve seals on them. And here's the rest of the start. This is our party line. So when I get down to that, put that harmonic balancer on, it's going to be ready to go inside the car. And this is something else over here. All right, let's go out of here. And again, I'll be doing a video on the house, guys. Don't worry about it. Guys, this house was really messed up. I mean, yeah, messed up more than what it is now. So we painted all the ceilings, and we painted that room, the kitchen, and we still got a lot of work to do, you know. But at least we ain't got to deal with no bad people. Everything good. All right, let's go over here now. All right, I know a lot of you guys know RockAuto.com. All right, today I ordered the floor pans for the Mustang. And for all you guys that don't know, you know the truck is number 23. The van is number 24. Our 2000 Mercury Cougar, that's painted up and everything, that's number 22. And this one I painted on, and this one's number 21. All right, I ordered floor pans for it. I'm gonna redo the whole interior. I started taking everything out. I was gonna do the floor myself, but I was like, forget that, man. That's just too much for me to handle. So I ordered the floor pans, and I'm gonna do a video that when I get it, and both of us, we're gonna drop it off together down to Moore's Body Shop, and I'm gonna have them put the put the new floors in for me. And I want to see if I want them to take care of this part over here too. And you know, I might have them sand it too, sand it down. I want to paint it. I like that. I like that. You know, that thing of accomplishment of finishing something. So I might have them sand it, but I want to paint it myself. Now this one right now, I sanded it, and painted it, and lettered it, and it was a good feeling afterwards. After I did, actually I bit out a truck too, and this one I just stuck the letters on it. All right, let me set this camera back up. Make sure we're in this. Got this picture right. Yeah, here we go. Come close. All right, so there you go. There's part 9. So we're just gonna wait for the customer, as long as it takes. Don't matter. We got other jobs. We're trying to really kind of catch up to our work. So we just want to give you an update of what's going on. So don't worry, you ain't missed nothing. We're gonna be putting this together, getting this car back running. All right, any kind of questions or comments, be sure to put them in the comment section below, or you can email me direct to tim@astralautorepairs.com. Guys, girls, this is Timmy from Astral Auto Repairs. I think I'm getting a cold. If we can't repair it, nobody can. Take it easy.